This video is about covalent bonding. So with covalent bonding, it differs from ionic bonding because covalent bonding happens between two or more nonmetals. And so with ionic bonding, we're giving away electrons and gaining electrons. With covalent bonding, these electrons are shared. And that's really what covalent means. With co, we've got, co means together. And then valent is really just valence. So what they're doing is they're sharing valence electrons. So we're sharing electrons to fill the valence shell. And remember with that, the magic number is 8 unless you're hydrogen, then the magic number is 2. So we always want to get 8 electrons in our valence shell. When we talk about nonmetals, nonmetals are on the right side of the periodic table. And we've only got a few nonmetals that are going to bond. First off, this column here are the noble gases. They don't bond with anybody, so we can just forget about those bonding with anyone. Then the jagged line tells us where the metalloids are. So really, when we're talking about things that will bond covalently, we only have, 7, 8, 10 different elements that are going to be bonded. So, covalent bonding, any of these 10 are going to be bonding with each other. Plus, oftentimes we include hydrogen as well as something that will covalently bond. When we name with covalent bonding, we write the name of the first element with a prefix. But that's only if the prefix is necessary. So it's only necessary if it's 2 or more. And then the second element with a prefix no matter what. So even if it's only 1, it's going to be mono. And ending in "ide."
Staff, this is just a reminder that there will be a faculty meeting at 2:45 in the auditorium. Faculty meeting 2:45 in the auditorium. Thank you.
When we talk about the prefixes, here are our prefixes. We've got mono for 1, 2 is di, 3 is tri, 4 is tetra, 5 is penta, hexa, hepta, octo, nona, deca. So let's take a look at one here. So we've got Pi3. This would be phosphorus. Tri. Iodide. The way that this would bond, if we take a look, phosphorus is right here. Phosphorus, when we draw the Lewis dot diagram, is going to have 3 valence electrons. Iodine has 7 valence electrons. So iodine wants to gain 1. Phosphorus wants to gain 3. So we're going to need 3 iodine atoms to come together with our phosphorus. And it's going to bond together like that. SO2. S is going to be sulfur. 2 becomes di. And oxygen becomes oxide, sulfur dioxide. When we take a look at sulfur on the periodic table, sulfur is looking to get 2 more. It has 6 valence electrons. So it's going to look something like that. Oxygen also has 6 valence electrons. So what you're going to get is, oh my, I should have drawn that a different color. So they're going to bond together in a triangle shape. Bunch of single bonds in a triangular shape. Okay?